Hello guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of my power zoom adapter that I recently ordered and picked up today. I ordered it into discount. I'm living in Switzerland, so this one is from into discount, which I ordered. I decided to order one of these after I did a video recently and was doing a manual zoom, but I was definitely not happy with the result. And I was searching online, what could I do to make my zoom effects better, and then I came across this. So this is your Canon Power Zoom Adapter PZ-E1. So let's crack it open and see what comes with it. I've got my Canon camera ready just to put onto it and give it a test run. So let's see. This is opening it. Usually I would be filming with my Canon camera, but because I'm actually featuring the camera in this video, I have to be using my iPhone. So I'm filming on a iPhone 7 Plus, which is give great footage as well. So as you can see, it comes with manual as expected. I would assume it's the regular stuff, the how to do this and how to do that stuff. Oh. It comes with batteries as well, which is a plus because I was wondering if I should buy batteries. After researching it, I realized that it actually used batteries. So it comes with 4 what appears to be AAA batteries. And it comes with a little bag, which is pretty cool. Got a Canon logo and everything on it. So I'm really liking that. So yeah. A nice little soft type bag for it, and of course, without further ado, the power zoom itself. And it comes in the necessary safety wrappers, bubble wraps, and a little plastic thing here. And just like the battery, it comes with that clip-on bit. So this is the Canon Power Zoom. I'll turn it. As you can see, I'm using a tripod to do this video, this unpacking. So that's pretty much it. It's lightweight, it's not very heavy, and I would assume if I go ahead and clip this off, if I could get it off, then we could just go ahead and get the battery pack in. So before I get to that, I saw where the battery is right on the side, so that's where the batteries will go in. So let me go ahead and put these batteries in real quick and yeah, get back, put them in, and the batteries are in at the moment. So the only other thing to do is it's got a lock on the side. Not 100% sure what's that supposed to do at this present time, but I will surely find out. But what I do know is this thing, I believe, is supposed to come off. I'm 100% sure that this is supposed to come off because it's supposed to clip into the actual zoom. I wanted this unpacking to be original without any before knowledge, so bear with me here. It's definitely not happening. It's supposed to fit onto the cam like that, so certainly this thing is supposed to, this thing right here is delaying my process at the moment. It's got a lock thing on the side, don't want to break it. Timeout. Let's go to the manual to see if the manual tells me what to do. I don't think they just put this thing in the box for decoration, so let's do it properly. Removing the cover, here we go. So bear with me. Turn the attachment lever in the direction of the arrow. Okay, that took me a minute to read and understand what it was actually saying. If you look closely here, there on this button, there is actually, on this lever, there is actually a button. So while turning it, you have to actually depress that button and it will actually release it. So now it's released and it's off. So there we go. This is the power zoom from Canon for DSLR camera. I've got a Canon 80D and I'm using the 135mm lens, which is suitable for this. So now let's do the attachment. As you can see in the bottom of the camera, there is these two slots and there is this reader, which I think clicks right onto that. So the attachment, I would assume, holding my camera this way, I would just put it here so it slots right into the hole, and then I assume I would have to hit back that lock button, and now it's on. So there you go. Had a little hiccup to start with, but now it's on. And what I'm gonna do, obviously I have to use this camera, I'm gonna try to get a footage of how it works so you guys can see. So before I take it outside to get the zoom, one thing, after you put the batteries in, then this power indicator lamp should be on. Once the power indicator lamp is on, then you know that your batteries are in the right position and you're powered up and ready to go. In here you've got slow and fast. So at the moment I'm going to demonstrate in slow mode, and you use this toggle which is T and W for forward and backward. So putting at that angle, you can see it's going out gradually, very slow, and that should give you a smooth zoom to your item. And then to bring it back, you just pull it backwards to the W and it will go in. And now I will demonstrate it in fast mode. So put it in fast for a zoom, goes out much faster, and to come back just as fast. But now I'm going to take it outside just to show an internal demonstration. So be with you guys in a jiffy. Fast mode towards reverse, and then slow mode. Nice and smooth. So I'm back, and as you can see, that was my demonstration outside of the slow mode and the fast mode, internally and externally. What I just discovered as well is, just in case you're wondering how to turn it off, once it's attached, once you turn the camera off, it also turns off. So I think the electrical sensor that it's attached to serves that purpose. So even though your batteries are still in, they won't drain unless it's attached to the camera and the camera is on. So once the camera is off, it's also off. So hey, thanks for watching. I'm just learning about all this photography and zooming and stuff. So I've still got a long way to go, but it's a good start. Thanks again for watching. Hope you got something from this unboxing, and see you later. Like and subscribe if it helped. Okay, bye.